Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the brand new Ultimates from NG Models. Now I know the Delta LA28 is a teeny bit older, but I do like this version better than the Gemini Jets one because I believe the colors are more correct, as well as the Ultimates are nice because the boxes are more supportive of the models. Sometimes they do include manuals about the aircraft too, so just a few extra things, you know. But number one, your model is more protected, and the box looks cooler. So about $5 more, this is what you're getting, guys. So super cool, and you get a couple extra points too on the redemption cards with the NG model, I believe. So that's nice too. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into this unboxing. And shout out to JH Wings for sending these over to me. All right, we're starting off. We have the A350-900 here. Swiss Airlines, I believe this was the first A350 for Swiss Airlines. Correct me if I'm wrong. What an awesome package on this guy here. All right, let's get this open here. As you can see, nicely packaged here. You get your stand here with it as well, which is really nice if you're trying to display it. And let me try to get this thing out of here. Of course, you get your redemption card, which is very important, I think, especially if you want to get more airplanes. That helps a lot. Wow, super beautiful. Let's get it out of the box here. All right, guys, here it is in its glory. I love displaying them on this part right here. I think it makes it look so cool. Look at the detail on this, guys. I honestly thought I was going to be getting... I never really had a Swiss like 777-300 or a Turkish, I don't believe either. So the fact that they're more resorting to like the A350s now, especially in real life airports too, makes more sense. But I still love the 777s though. I will get them as models still, but yeah, I just never really got around to it, I guess. There's a lot of airlines to collect out there, especially if you're a collector and you're trying to build like the real world airports, especially like LAX, for example. There's just so many airlines that you have to collect. So, and not only just the airlines, you have special liveries for each airline too. So, but anyways, guys, honestly, guys, 10 out of 10, absolutely amazing model. Pick this up if you can. JH Wings, link below, guys. Let's get on to the next model. We got a lot to get through. Next up, we have the China Southern World Skills Shanghai 2022 livery on the 777-300ER. Let's go ahead and get this open. All right, let's take a look here. Ooh, a lot of blue and green. That's beautiful, guys. Look at that. Let's go ahead and get it open. All right, guys, here it is in all its glory. What an amazing looking aircraft. Let's get this set down safely here. Don't want to break anything on this. Awesome, and you just put this right back over it. And like I said, you have your stand right here too. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stands, plus more from the other ones I have. So taking a nice detailed look here, everybody. Wow, what a good looking aircraft. Definitely one for your collection for sure. I'm definitely addicted to these Ultimates, especially with the boxes. Like I said, it just adds a lot to it. $5, $6 more, you can't go wrong. Look how beautiful this is. I don't know if they release Ultimates with the flaps down. I could be wrong. Let me know, guys. I do have the American Airlines Retro 777 on pre-order too, as well as the Lufthansa 787-9 in the Ultimates, so we ain't going back, guys. Obviously, if something doesn't come out in the Ultimates, then that's a different story, but guys, I mean, 10 out of 10. This is great. I'm speechless, guys. Antennas, engines, wheels, wings, the color, the paint, everything, guys. Let's get on to the next model. Next up, we have the Delta A350-900 here, the LA28 livery, guys. One of my favorite liveries here. Let's go ahead and get it open. Wow. Nicely packaged here, guys. Nicely wrapped. LA28 on the back in big bold letters here. There we go. All right, everybody, take a look here. Absolutely amazing here. Lots of detail here. Dome hole fuselage with the pom-pom in case of being hurt by three-dimensional antennas. That tells me this is very realistic. Look at that, guys. Okay, so this is the way this one came. I don't know if this one came with a stand. Let's check the bottom here. It's got something here. Nope. Okay. So this one did not come with a stand, which is fine because we have other stands here. But this must have been I think this was released before they started including the stands. But we did get a redemption card, so that's good. First look at the LA-28 here, guys. Out of the box completely. Let me get a good zoom here on the engines. Super detailed here. Like I said, it's that kind of the purple in the middle there by the L. I think that's like the difference that I noticed between the Gemini Jets one. Super realistic. Let's take a look at the bottom of the aircraft, of course. Wow, yep, I am super impressed with this one here. This may be one of my favorite models, guys, to be honest with you. Sharp antennas here, of course, so just be careful. I'm speechless, to be honest with you guys, so like 10 out of 10, honestly. These Ultimates are next level. That's all I gotta tell you. All right, guys, next up we're going to do the Qatar 777-300ER. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, guys, let's take a look. One of our redeemable airplanes here. Time you're watching this video, I've already redeemed the card here in the box as well. Super cool. Let's get it open, guys. Here it is in the box. Super cool looking aircraft here. Definitely very iconic too. Yeah, pretty much all special liveries today, besides the other Swiss plane here, so let's get this open. All right, guys, here we go. 25 years of excellence here. Qatar 777-300ER. Extended range. This might be one of the cleanest models I've ever seen. The wings just look, I don't know, guys, just like super clean. Look at that. Qatar on the bottom here, guys. Of course, this comes with that stand too, so you can put this on a nice stand too to display it. And what I like about these stands is it wraps around the wings too here with that part. So it kind of holds it a lot better than some of the other stands out there do too. So super nice, guys. All right, and last up of the Ultimates here, we have the Swiss A350-900 here. Registration HB IFB. 1/400 scale collectible here. Gonna pass up another Ultimate here. Let's get it open. Nice and sealed. Super nice here. Our sign is Promise. Nicely packed here, guys. Let's go ahead and get it open. Nice display here of the Swiss A350 here. Super shiny aircraft here, guys. Also says something right there. Lufthansa Group right there. Well, I believe they're owned by Lufthansa now. Or they may have been for a while now, to my knowledge. Nice and clean here. Look at the bottom. Landing gear looks amazing. Engines. Spot for another type of stand as well. Because these stands do go around the wings, they kind of hold it a different way. Super cool, guys. And just to show you guys again how the stands work, I know I've been talking about the stands throughout the video here. So you can see they wrap around the back here. Holds the plane kind of backwards so it nestles in there. And it nestles under this too. So plane really isn't going anywhere, which is good. It's not the Gemini Jets ones where it's like sticks to the bottom and it wobbles. It's really, really sketchy. This, you know your model is secured. Obviously don't, shake it around too much, but I mean, it's in there. Like it really ain't going anywhere. So this is something I would trust to have on a stand overnight if I were just to keep it nicely on my display. But some of the other stands I would not. But yeah, really cool, guys. Awesome airplane. All right, everybody, behold all 5 of these together. Super detailed here. Of them on their display stands. Here's a nice shot of them all together here, guys. What a fun unboxing for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this ultimate unboxing of the 5 here. Shout out to JH Wings, guys. Link below here for all your model aircraft, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting from Model Airport Nation to you guys. And a lot to come in the near future here, guys. We ain't slowing down anytime soon. See you guys soon.